Ime ngabe sethatha umuntu ngeke azathatha umuntu from kulezi ndawo esiphuma kuzona thina sonke. Why ethathe wasemzumbe wathi uMusa Mseleku uthathe wasemzumbe because of your influence, indlela oziphethe ngayo. So then wa realize ukuthi yazi mengimtholela iwele nje shuthi indawo yangasekhaya ikhiqiza abantu abawumakhumalo,
the product.
Yes. So angivele ngimfune la so that
And I think
oh gosh,
ayazi ukuthi I've been replaced. Bambala phela Job.
ureplace kanjani because mina ureplacewe?
No phela kamthola konje gawo.
I know that I'm not replaceable. Me saying replace igama nje. No one can be uMakhumalo. There will forever be one Makhumalo. Noma ungafike uhlale la ngihleli khona, udle la bengidla khona, ngesipuni engidle ngaso, ugqoke into engigqokayo, ukhulume njengami, usebenze la ngisebenza khona, uhlale ehlalweni sami ujike, you will never be me. There will forever be one Makhumalo. So if you come to replace, unfortunately you cannot be able to do that. Kodwa if you come ukuzo add isibalo ayi ungas add this.
Okay, so now in this clip we saw how uMakhumalo noMangwabi are talking about Mseleku nenqumo zakhe, and uMangwabi is telling uMakhumalo ukuthi this is how Mseleku is justifying ukuthatha number 5. Uthatha number 5 because number 5 he wanted somebody or cisha noThobile, so that's why he went for someone osuka la uThobile suka khona. Uthanda the way uThobile emphatha ngakhona, uthanda indlela uThobile eyiphatha ngayo nendlela enza ngayo, solo wafika kaMseleku. In my understanding, I just feel like this guy just loves to belittle uThobile and just likes to remind her ukuthi okusalayo akwazi kuzala, because honestly it's like, what does it mean? I know they were being sarcastic, but it seems like that. It's like I want somebody who can do what you do and be better at what you do, which then means someone who can give me kids. You get what I mean? So it's like what a strong woman Thobile is. Strong shame.